Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to go off-grid electricity. First, you need to understand your current energy consumption. Take a look at your utility bills to see your average daily kilowatt-hour usage, perhaps around 20 to 30 kilowatt-hours for a typical home. Also, identify when you use the most power. This initial assessment is crucial for designing a system that truly meets your needs and ensures a smooth transition. Next, it's time to design your system and select components. Your primary energy source might be solar panels, perhaps a 5-kilowatt array, or a wind turbine. You'll need battery storage, often measured in kilowatt-hours, to power your home when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. An inverter is essential to convert the direct current from your batteries into usable alternating current for your appliances. A small backup generator can also provide peace of mind. Now it's time to make your guess. Based on your analysis of the clues, navigate the map and select the location you believe is correct. Try to be as precise as possible, placing your marker exactly where you think the mystery spot is. Once you've made your selection, confirm it to see how close you were. The game will typically show you the distance between your guess and the actual location, often in kilometers or miles, and the direction. Finally, ongoing maintenance and optimization are key to a successful off-grid lifestyle. Regularly clean your solar panels to maintain peak efficiency, perhaps every 3 to 6 months. Monitor your battery bank's health and charge cycles to maximize its lifespan, which can be 10 to 15 years for quality lithium-ion batteries. Periodically inspect all wiring and connections. Also, consider upgrading to energy-efficient appliances to reduce your overall power consumption, making your system even more robust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.